Greetings, pirates! Today there's good news. You'll find out the requirements for the third wave and how the distribution will take place. The first thing we'll do is update the statistics, where you can see if you have the black mark status. We've decided to do away with the suspicious status. But if you happen to be an unfortunate recipient of the black mark, you'll have the opportunity to write an email with your ID and try to appeal. On our end, we'll provide you with proof as to why we considered you a cheater. In other words, you were playing unfairly. This update will be available in about a week or two, and you'll be able to see it on our website. As I mentioned, the update itself is a one-to-one exchange. How will this work? The first task is to connect your wallet. You already know how this works. This was in the second wave. After you've connected your wallet, you'll need to subscribe to the Pirate Cash or PiCash channel, depending on your language. The third task is to join the pirate group, either Pirate Cash ENG or Pirate Cash Rus. The next task is to subscribe to the Kasantoyo channel. The next task is to subscribe to the W- channel, and you need to have 6 referrals. After that, you'll have about 3 weeks to complete all these steps, and you'll have the opportunity to press the button. The only restriction on pressing the button is if you're a cheater. A cheater will not be able to press this button. Accordingly, by pressing the button, you submit your application. At the moment, only the application itself is being recorded. The exchange will take place when the third wave itself ends. Considering that there will be a lot of applications, and you asked what will happen next. For this wave, since we want to distribute to all users right now, we have allocated a budget of 500,000 pirates. So what happens if users apply for a larger amount? Well, let's imagine that users have applied for 2 million pirates, while our budget is 500,000. So accordingly, the ratio is 1:4. But as I said, we exchange 1:1. We calculate at the moment of the application, not at the time of submission, but when we actually pay out, we check how many pirates you had. Now let's say you had 40,000 pirates. Accordingly, we divide 40,000 by 4. That gives us 10,000 pirates. So only 10,000 will be deducted from your account, not 40,000. In other words, a portion of the pirates will be exchanged 1:1 for each user. I want to point out that this third wave is experimental. We will be looking for ways to make it better. But in the third wave, each user will receive at a 1:1 ratio, and exactly that amount will be deducted from their account. And there will be more waves. Most likely, there will be a 4th and a 5th wave. And in the 4th or 5th wave, there will be an opportunity. In fact, in the last wave, there will be a chance not everyone will be able to exchange their entire deposit. So, for example, if you exchange 10,000 now, and you originally had 40,000, then you'll be able to exchange the remaining 30,000 in the very last wave, provided you meet the conditions. Subscribe to the channel to learn more.